A bridge is a lifeline that connects cities, countries, and people. But we need reliable technology to maintain these bridges. Now, reliable bridge inspection is possible through Zeda Korea with world-class technology and innovative design. Compact yet powerful performance. Zeda Korea's equipment adapts anywhere in the world. Zeda Korea, the world's state-of-the-art bridge management solution, is with you. High-tensile tubes and innovative outrigger technology minimize the risk of overturning during work and ensure safety and durability. The Zeda Korea Bridge Inspection Car, equipped with a Volvo FE chassis and 3.5 Xerops powerful engine, works stably in mountainous terrain, steep slopes, and various other road environments. Zeda Korea leads the global standards of bridge inspection and maintenance technology.